Across America, transit agencies large and small are tackling a backlog of system repairs, from replacing assets like deteriorating track to fixing aging facilities and vehicles. The Federal Transit Administration's Transit Asset Management Final Rule requires agencies to develop plans to improve the condition of their systems to maintain a state of good repair and ensure safe and efficient service. With American transit systems today facing about $90 billion in total needed repairs, FTA's TAM program provides a strategy to help transit agencies increase reliability and performance. By measuring and monitoring asset conditions, TAM helps transit agencies identify assets at risk and address them. The asset management framework helps agencies balance and prioritize improvements and plan how to fund those improvements over time. Effective asset management results in better service and lower maintenance costs. It can improve safety too. Agencies set goals, take inventories, develop budgets, gather data, analyze, and then undertake projects. Effective asset management can help make a sound business case for hard-to-come-by funding. In Northern California, the San Joaquin Regional Transit District's buses were once housed in a 50-year-old building where 150 vehicles were fueled from one tank, a process that took all night, every night. Many buses were too old to find replacement parts. New leadership began using asset management strategies, which helped the agency gain local support and funding to build a new bus facility. They now have efficient fueling and, with a nod to the future, charging for a new fleet of electric buses acquired with help from an FTA grant. The Southeast Pennsylvania Transit Authority uses asset management to quantify the state of good repair needs for its 4,000 buses and trains and 400 miles of track. SEPTA was created by consolidating regional transportation systems, and many assets had fallen into a state of disrepair. To address what they called a capital funding crisis, SEPTA leaders painted realistic scenarios of how their systems, aging bridges, overtaxed power stations, old rail cars, would deteriorate without repairs. Their data-driven findings won state funding to achieve a state of good repair. Knowing the condition of the system through a thorough top-to-bottom analysis was critical. FTA is committed to helping agencies implement asset management through grants, courses, webinars, online templates and materials, and an annual conference. The TAM program represents a major step toward ensuring safe and efficient transit service for the tens of millions of Americans who rely on public transportation each day.